Factorize. The first thing we need to identify when factorizing is the common relation between terms in the expression. If we look at question 2a, 18a minus 12, we would notice that both terms have the factor of 6. With this in mind, we can divide both of these by 6 and have the number 6 outside of the bracket or outside of the expression. Think of it this way. It's a city exiling its commoners. You would get the answer of 6 bracket 3a minus 2. With this knowledge, we can do the same thing for the next question. In this case, the commoners are C. So we can divide C from the city. And that should be your answer for 2b. Yuri makes a data collection sheet to find the height of students in his school. He trials his data collection sheet with 15 students and gets these results. Yuri wants to improve his data collection sheet. Observing the sheet, we can see that the range from 1 to 100 and the range from 200 and 250 are of no use, so we can dispose of them. To improve the sheet, all we have to do is to have the range from 101 to 200 divided into more columns. I will be dividing mine into 4 columns. It is really important that the numbers from the starting and the numbers from the beginning do not overlap each other. The cost of the hotel this year is 8% more expensive than last year. The cost of the flight this year is $961. Work out the percentage increase in total cost of the holiday. So we know that the flight cost has changed to $961. Now we just have to calculate the hotel cost. We can do that by adding the total cost and the increased percentage. And this will give us 1,404. Now, by adding that to the flight cost, we can find the total cost of this year's trip, which is 2,365. Now we take the total cost of this year and the total cost of last year and minus them together to get the difference of this year's and last year's cost, which is $165. Now we just have to convert that into a percentage, and we will have the answer of 7.5%. Solve this equation. So the first thing we need to notice is that we need to make C our subject. But first we need to expand the brackets. So by expanding the brackets, you get this. Now we can move around the equation in order to get C as the subject. We can move 160 over and it will become like this, and we can also move the 5 over to become like this. If you divide and minus, you will get the answer of -20.